everyone and welcome to our new Scratch tutorial. This is part 1 of our platformer tutorial. So a platformer is a game that there'll be words that we have to go through them. So this is one of my platformer projects called Moon Platformer. So in this project, in this part 1, we will have 3 steps. First step is make the player move smoothly. Second step is make platforms. The third step is make the player jump. So I'll describe each step in the later in the video. So so as you can see, mostly we will go to create, but this time we won't go to create. We'll go to my Interway Tutor account, and there I made this one game assets called platformer game assets. So here we'll have all the sprites and also have different levels. So I'm having lots of levels. So if you want, you could remix it, or you could just like backpack it to your project. So I'm going to remix it. Yeah. First I'm going to lock this thing. So I'm going to rename this sprite one as player. Yeah, that's important. So the first part is make the player move smoothly. So that's so mainly the player should move smoothly. So wait, I'm going to just delete this one because we're in the. So first thing is we have to make the player move smoothly. So in platformers, the players will move very smoothly. So so first, to make the player move smoothly, we have to make a custom block. So we'll go to my blocks and make a custom block. And before we make the custom blocks, we are already having these variables. So one is collision, last scene, and scene. And we have to add some extra variables. So I'm going to just delete this. So the collision, one is one is speed x, and another one is speed y. It's for this sprite only. So be careful. Next one is speed y, also for this sprite only. So so let's make our block. So first custom block is move left and right. And don't choose that run without screen refresh. We'll get some problems. And then we'll make an if then else block. We'll keep one here. If key right arrow pressed, then change speed x by 1. Yeah, speed x by 1. No, x by 1. Wait, oh yeah, this one is deleted. Yeah, speed x by 1, and then change speed x by 1, and in the else category it's set, not change, set speed x, set speed x to speed x multiplication block. So speed x multiplied by 0.9. So now, one more. Now it won't move because I'll tell you why. First, we have to It's not moving first because this is a definition of that move left and right. So we have to make use of the actual block move left and right, and there we will keep this under in a forever loop and keep set speed x to 0, speed x, and then keep this when green flag light, and now it will move. Yeah, it will move. Yes, so yeah. So yeah, first we'll go more into the game, then I'll show you. Then just mm, yeah. So then just duplicate this one and then speed x by -1, and then the main thing why it's not moving, we have to make a change x by speed x. So it should, so the x position should move according to the speed x. So yeah, that's the one we should keep. So now hmm, change speed. So so yeah, so we will go through the game, then we'll get to know. Next one is we will create a custom block, move up and down. And run without screen refresh. Don't choose that. And then we will go to if key up arrow pressed, then if key up arrow pressed, then if touching platforms, if key up arrow pressed, if touching platforms, oh yeah, you know what, why the player is not moving? Now I got to know why. Because we're in the platforms right and doing coding. Oh no, this is the one mistake. So yeah, let's go back to the player. Let's just drag them. Oh my goodness, this is a very silly mistake. So that's why in some videos I'm telling you, don't, make sure the smallest mistake will lead to bigger things. So yeah, now let's go to this. Yeah, and then delete all of this code here. Yeah. Now let's try if it's moving or not. Let's see now. Oh yeah, one more code block I have to keep. It is here. Yeah, we'll go on to that the later part. So first I'm going to pause this video, and if you want to see, you see the bug of what. Okay. So okay, so now I found out the mistake. Like I just kept the right arrow and here. So yeah, I did some I tried some methods, but yeah, this is silly mistake. Yeah. So yeah, now it's moving. So now we want it to jump. So yeah. So if touching platforms, so this is the platform. So yeah, touching platforms, then set speed y to 12.8. Speed y to 12.8. 12.8. So yeah, set speed by to 12.8 and then change speed x by -1. So yeah, out of this if then block, change speed x by -1 here. Speed x by -1 and then change y by speed y. No, here I have to keep this change y by block here and then keep no speed y, not speed x, speed y. Change y by speed y. So let's try it. I hope there's no bug. Oh yeah, forgot one thing I have to do. I have to duplicate this one and just change it to speed y. Then keep this move up and down block here. Yeah, so do this. This is the code. So yeah, now you're making, now the player is jumping. Yeah, but you have noticed one thing, that after the player jumped, it's going down and it's touching the ground. So it's not like sensing that the player that it's touching the ground. So yeah, so that one we will do it in the second part where there'll be platform collisions, uh, obstacles, danger zones, and how to reborn after you crash into another any platform and all that. So yeah, so that's all for this part of platformer game assets, platformer game. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video and I'll see you again in the next part. So yeah, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe the button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the button and also hit the bell icon so you'll get further notifications. So yeah, so hit the subscribe button and I'll see you again in the next video.